Hi guys, welcome to Mark Bajerski YouTube channel. Welcome to the Pure Energy Healing Academy. I'm actually glad that next door is starting to make a lot more noise because I was feeling sorry for them going through such terrible trauma of the place not being built and things going wrong. So part of me is happy for them. Of course I am. And the other half is there's so much noise with the builders. But anyway, we live and learn and we grow. But today, this is only like a short message because I've basically got to start work on these. Can you see them? Don't think you can, eh? These are my crystals from Ballet, which now I have to start working on. So I'm very excited about that. I've got a coffee over there that I shouldn't do. Cheeky coffee. Shouldn't be having a cheeky coffee. But the reason why I'm making this video is one, just to, I'm not apologising in the sense that I don't want to come across as negative and nasty and judgmental. It was just a frustration that came to me while I watched I only watched 5-10 minutes of it of JP Sears and Del Bigtree, and it was just an observation that I just find I have to come to terms with it and make sense of it in my own understanding and just get on with my life and try and help people as much as possible at the same time as find the balance and not have the fear. Basically what I was saying was, why is it that those that promote the truth and the pain and the suffering are smiling and happy and don't seem to be affected at all? They just seem to be lapping it up. And those that receive that information actually live quite a sad and traumatic and fearful life. And I think, that's for me as well. I need to snap out of that. And maybe we need to be stronger. And that's the bottom line. But it's hard for us if we're empaths. But, when we look at these people who are sharing these big messages, going on catwalks and being shiny stars and then there's them people left behind feeling bad. And, people have often pointed the finger at me and said, you're too negative. But, maybe I was over these few years, but what I tried to do, and judge me as you please, but I tried to put out videos out there where, hey guys, I know we're all feeling bad. This is just as much for me. And like when I used to do psychic readings, I used to hear the message for myself as well. So, I felt that pain and hey, we all need to heal. So I did healing sessions online. I did many videos. You can't deny it. Just go back for the past 3 years and look how many videos I've made and look how many were telling the truth on all what the bad things are happening, but look how many videos I did which were self-help to make you stronger. When have I ever said follow me? I've said don't follow me, don't follow anybody. When have I ever said follow gurus? And I've said be your guru and box clever. So I feel, but I'm sure people can say yeah, but, and I'm sure there's lots of buts. I'm not perfect, but yeah, I just found it a little bit soul destroying when, people are talking about what colour dress I should wear on the catwalk for something so, for me, heartbreaking and soul wrenching, knowing that people are in such bad places right now. People have done things to themselves that they're so sick. And of course, yeah, you guys might not even know that, but if you're a healer and all you ever do is get clients who come to you because they're in pain and suffering, well, I'm going to get more information of suffering and pain than you are because you don't know it unless it's happened to you and your family. But imagine you get between 10 and 50 messages a day, all right? Imagine that. Oh my God, so-and-so's just my brother, or my daughter, or my grandma, or, all because of, something that they've done and so on. And like, when people try and tell me, stop being dramatic, it's like, yeah. And my daughter even says, oh, Dad, please stop being dramatic. It's like, yeah, you're right. But, swap shoes. Become a healer and then see, the truth. I mean, we watch things on mainstream. We listen to all these famous people on mainstream. But, let me tell you something. There's nothing more truthful than being outside in front of people and listening to their story. I hear a lot of those stories. So anyway, that's by the by. Love you all. I appreciate all your kind messages. I'm not a softie. I just feel pain, and sometimes, like in bed, watching 10 minutes of this new awakening, pandemic part 3. It's like just another way of, it's like repeating the same stuff. And there's a lot of, anyway, shut up, Mark. Okay, so just so you know, everybody who goes to markbajerski.com for the past week and a half, this Wednesday coming, if you bought anything over, if you spent over 120, you get a ticket, and that ticket goes into a raffle, and that's to win over 4,000 euros of incredible pieces. I mean, this one is just phenomenal. Yeah, there's some these were all that I wore and worked with. Beautiful pieces. I mean, I don't wear rings, but this is a prototype Moldavite. Look at that. So there's lots of stuff here. Lots and lots. Beautiful. That is the highest grade of Herkimer diamond. Yeah, and a lot of trios that I wore, a lot of trios, and so on. Lots of beautiful things here. So yeah, you go to my website anyway. You buy every day. Most people buy every day. It's just a nice way of saying, hey, this is quite exciting. It's my way to say thank you. What I did hear from a lot of you is, why is it all going to one person? And that kind of makes sense, but. Next time, I can't change it now, but next time I'll maybe split them into 10. So my next lot, I'll split into 10, so then there'll be 10 winners. So that's it. So, oh yeah, tonight at 6 o'clock Spain time, if you want to join us all, tonight's theme and live workshop is how to heal depression, how to heal, basically say, long-term issues, root cause, trauma, how to clear illness and sickness and disease. I think that's a good thing. We should start talking more and more. I had to talk about it a lot, but we'll go into in-depth detail. That's it, I guess. It's so loud. It's not loud for you, but it's really loud for me. So till tonight, and they normally finish at about 5, so it will be nice and peaceful. I'll get the room ready, and we'll do a lovely 1 hour talk. The 1 hour lives, I think, are beautiful, and I enjoy doing them. Although they can be a little bit tiring, I'm getting a little bit old now, but I'm enjoying them. I'm truly enjoying them. So join me tonight. And remember that if you do go to markbajerski.com and you do make a purchase of 120 and over, you will have one ticket which will go into a pot, and your name may be chosen to win a most amazing selection of Mark Bajerski working crystals. All right, I'm going now. Have a great day and see you tonight. Hope to see you tonight, guys.